This is our trip on the way down from the mountain. There you go. Oh, for the guys?
They're just very good.
Okay, we're gonna see the goats here shortly, guys. You want to do your goat call, honey?
No, I don't want to. It's way too late.
Show your parents. Goat call. Here we go. We got a little bridge type deal here. Oh, you got Spider-Man and Batman. We don't pay them though, right?
No, you don't.
Okay.
But they're the guardians of the trees.
Probably take pictures of these guys, huh?
No, it's not. It's
no,
Flash.
It's Flash. Yeah.
Batman.
And Batman.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a dog. Should we pet it?
Oh, they have a tank here. It's nice.
Oh yeah, I smell the goats. Oh, there they are.
There they are.
Hey, goats.
Hi, goats.
Yeah.
Bye, man. Grace here.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Feels like province.
Yes, it does. Smells pretty good.
It smells cricket.
Yeah, you can hear the crickets. It's definitely a nice change from all the honking. Yeah, got a little steep hill here.
This is very steep.
Yes, it is. Very steep. Almost straight down. No, don't need AC. I think the last time I checked, this place out and it was about 3,500 feet in the air. So how many meters is that? I don't know.
Above the sea level.
Yes, yep. I think it was 3,500. Yep. Which, believe it or not, hon, that's as high as Blowing Rock.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be snowing here.
No, you're too far south,
it's not
honey.
too high to have a snow.
No.
Maybe in Sagada.
No.
Sagada is snowing.
No, it's just
Now,
probably...
Beach Mountain is...
No, because this is just, the Philippines. And,
Right.
no
You're further
matter,
south.
No matter how high you are, if you're in the equator, it's not going to snow.
But in Sagada, it's snowing.
No, it's not snowing, it's just a frost.
Still snow.
It's
It's not a snow. Just the water frozen. I don't know how do people do their everyday errands here.
Well, it's just like beach
They
mountain.
used to it.
It's hard to go ahead and get up and get down, and tough. Most of these people probably work at the restaurant, I would assume.
The best suitable car is for the 4x4.
Mm-hmm.
Someone's doing karaoke.
Mm-hmm. There's one over there too.
Yep. This is so provincial, the way they do the setup, an outdoor fair,
Oh yeah.
outdoor bench, outdoor bamboo. gonna be me when I go back to Florida with my karaoke.
Nah, it's gonna get lost in over Canada somewhere.
Still my credit card.
Oh, got a little dog there. Look at that. Better watch out there, little dog. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, there's party time.
It's okay.
Party time.
Pero may bahay. Papagawa.
Oh, yeah? How much, hon?
I don't know. Wow, this is an open
O,
man.
ito yung nagaan.
Boss, oh.
Thank you.
Because they're not expecting anything. They're just doing their job.
Yep.
With the cup.
I like these people. They don't expect anything, but in the US they expect.
Oh, no. Should we go ahead and give 100 to each one? I got a couple extra.
No.
No, I don't work.
Oh.
In the US, the cashier is asking for a tip for scanning our goods.
Yeah,
There's lots of mango tree.
yeah, banana trees, mango.
This is sampalok tree. Tamarind.
Cameron?
Yeah, tamarind tree.
Yeah.
And this one is avocado.
Oh, yeah.
Avocado tree.
We like avocados.
Avocado tree.
Nice fella.
And this one, aratilis.
Wow, I remember one of your days I would pick up a rattlet. You know, it's like around the small food that you can eat.
Palang top of the mountain sila, no? That's why.
360, that's nice. It reminds me of another 360 view when we were in Georgia. Remember that? The observation.
Absolutely.
So you can see North Carolina, you can see Georgia, you can see what else?
You can see Florida. Let's see here. North Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, South Carolina.
Pero ang maiisak ko lang yung araw sila.
I can't remember. I think that was it.
Well, if you want people to go to your restaurant because it has a lot of
But I believe the food is all delicious.
It was.
I like the pizza.
I'll give it a 4.
You're a little spoiled on the
Why?
pizza now,
Why
honey.
only 4?
Well, we have pretty good pizza home. Even Domino's was better.
Ako, I'll review them. Very good food, very good view, but afraid to come back.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, do you
I
want to play
mean,
basketball?
oh, I don't have my shorts on.
Nari.
Dali lang ako doon. Kasi for a few hours. 10 and 4.
10 p.m. Wow.
Oh, it's zero.
Oh yeah, definitely start. Uh-oh. What's that? Oh, okay.
Oh, it's mom. It's just mom.
Okay.
Always like that to work.
I thought we had too much fresh air.
No, I'm really.
Someone is really
Tumayo kami.
ano naman maglalakad ka. Oh, party!
Oh, party up there. Yeah, here it comes. Oh boy. a big open lot here, guys.
Or this is residential.
Yeah, this is gonna be something here. Oh yeah.
So it was familiar. I think
Oh.
he lives here.
Boy, isn't that funny? You think who lives here?
Gigi.
No, she doesn't live here, does she?
I don't know. It was familiar. Because we took a couple of pictures of her. It's like low-rise condominium. That's like roadside
Okay.
condominium.
Housing ko yung
Maybe.
Di ba pwede ibang private something?
Prince, remember,
Beautiful girl.
kung saan,
In Ilocos. Yeah, it's fun.
ay, yeah.
Lovitas Garden.
Yeah, Conan. Enter another goal. Kamatsu.
Kumatsu!
Something here.
Roads are widened.
Think it's that, or I think it's water lines or sewer. Might be water or sewer. I don't know. Oh no, I don't know. I think it is widening. That's a good idea. I don't think it's going to be a sidewalk.
There's another parking lot for the tricycle.
Yeah. Oh, balut. 25 pesos.
Car probably going to Great Hill. Module making a review.
Come back.
Mom, ka na mag-review ko ba pa kaya?
No. No. This is all nice.
Because sometimes there's okay, time to open to ano na, close the windows na.
You want to?
Yeah,
Close the windows?
I want the AC now.
Okay.
It's getting too smelly.
Bye, everyone.